Woodcraft Industries is now Quanex Custom Components. Basically, our division is comprised of several legacy brands, the Woodcraft Industries brand, the Primewood brand, and the Brentwood brand. So all those brands have a rich history, and we're not trying to detract from that, but basically, we want to unify under one brand and also recognize the fact that we're part of something bigger and part of the Quanex organization. So that's really why we're doing it. The people, the principles, and how we operate the business are not changing in any way.
This is going to create value for everyone, to see a company that's very much set up to grow. And really what we're trying to do is tap into this potential that we see. We've operated as separate pieces for so long. I think at times people still hear Woodcraft and all these individual parts. We're missing out on an opportunity to leverage the Quanex name. We have an opportunity to get bigger, to get stronger, to go out into different areas. But that's not going to be done by each of the individual components. That can only be done through the scale of combining everything better and going out with Quanex.
Communication is key, right? So we've actually involved all the key stakeholders. We've had meetings with the plants on why we're changing, what the backbearings are, asking any questions. So I think involving people up front in the process has really helped give everyone a sense of comfort and understanding of why we're doing that.
Change is scary. It's scary for me, it's scary for everyone. But trust me, this potential is enormous, and I see nothing but good things for Quanex.
Quanex Custom Components manufactures parts for OEMs, and there's really three segments of markets that we serve. The biggest one is the kitchen cabinet industry, so that's about 80% of our revenue. So that would be doors, face frames, and moldings. Another aspect of our business is household millwork, base, casing, and components that would go into homes. We do that out of solid wood in our Luck, Wisconsin facility, and out of engineered wood, which is primarily profile wrapped and engineered substrates, out of our Wahpeton, North Dakota facility. Our last segment and smallest one, about 5% of our revenue, is the window industry. So our Mounds View, Minnesota location manufactures wood window grills, primarily for Andersen Window, and supplies them on a just-in-time basis into the Andersen organization. We don't sell out of a catalog. We're sitting down with each of our customers and engineering a product that's specific to their needs and requirements. We're really teaming up with our customers to take their product ideas and designs and translate them into something that can be manufactured in a cost-effective way. So a custom component is something that meets your exact needs that we can provide in truckload volumes across the United States, day in and day out. The value is basically repeatability and scale. So we're processing roughly 50 million board feet of hardwood lumber a year, and basically how we yield that material determines the cost of our product. We're able to take all the sizes across all of our customer base and yield better out of a given board than what our customers or a smaller competitor can do. So the scale that we have allows us to be competitive in the market. Another advantage is repeatability and just-in-time capabilities. So we're actually, in some cases, producing and supplying product on a lead time as little as 4 hours. So our customers are able to manufacture with very little inventory in their systems, and they're reliant upon us, and they build that trust over the years that we're going to supply a product on time to meet their needs. We're able to do that across the entire United States. We're dealing with very large kitchen cabinet OEMs that have multi-site operations. So if they buy a product in Ohio and also in Oregon, they want that product to be the same in both locations. So we're able to ensure the quality, the specifications, and the repeatability of our service model across the entire United States, whereas a lot of other manufacturers simply don't have that capability. We're supporting the customer and their vision, right? So it truly is limitless. A particular profile or design, that's wide open for anything that a customer may want.
Our job is to make complexity simple in the eyes of the customer. Part of something bigger is not some phrase of the day. And it's not some massive overhaul. Our ability to put things together is really driven by the sharing of best practices, taking all these great things that people are doing all across the world and sharing that to become a better, stronger product globally.